Hello YouTube and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be upgrading the hard drive on the PlayStation 5. And the very first thing that you guys want to do is make sure you power off your PlayStation. Do not put it in rest mode or any other mode. Just power it off. And then so after it's powered off, unplug it. And now we're going to go ahead and do the next thing, which is we're going to pop open this top by lifting up in the corner a little bit. You can kind of flex it, and then after you flex it up a little bit, you slide down towards you and it just comes off like that. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off this panel where the new hard drive is gonna go, the solid state. The type of solid state is an NVMe M2, and you want to put a 4th gen. Make sure you get a 4th gen between 250 gigs and 4 terabytes. That is the rating for the PlayStation 5. If you try to use an older Gen 3, anything below a Gen 4, it's not gonna work. So you're gonna have to spend the extra money and just get the Gen 4. So now we're gonna unscrew this little screw and spacer that it comes with. And that's it. It's just a little spacer and a screw, and you want to hold on to that. Okay, so now you're ready to install the SSD into the PlayStation, but now we have to prepare the SSD. Now some SSDs will come with a heatsink, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how to do one with a custom heatsink installed yourself, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. You help the channel grow, and so I could be able to show you more videos like this. So I went ahead and picked up the 980 Pro by Samsung, and I'll leave the description for that down below as well. And so when you get the Heatsink Installation Kit, it's going to come in 2 pieces. Most of them are like this. This one you have to actually screw together, but some of the other ones you know, snap them together with clips and whatnot. But I prefer the one with the screw. So the bottom piece, which is the tray, like this is the top piece with the heatsink. The bottom piece with the tray, you're gonna take the thermal pad. It's not gonna have this installed, but I'm just showing you. You're gonna take the thermal pad and you're gonna peel away this clear film that it comes with. And this clear film is on both sides, but you're gonna peel away one side at a time, stick it down, and then once it's stuck down, you're gonna peel off the film. And you're gonna do that for both of them, right? Top and bottom. So now both sides are sticky, waiting for the SSD to be put down in the tray. So I'm gonna do that. And so what you're gonna do is, you see that little curved, let me see if I can show you, that little curved notch right here. So yeah, the SSD has that as well. And so you're gonna line it up with that. And so the top of the SSD also has that curved notch right there, and you're gonna line it up like that as well, and then that's it. And then you're gonna screw on each side, 3 screws for this one. Alright guys, so there it is, all the screws on, solid state in place. And now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna slide it down in there into the slot. See if I could bring that in for you guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the spacer in place in the appropriate hole right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and screw down the SSD in place. So now with the SSD screwed down in place, now we can go ahead and put back on the panel. And the screw. Sure that screw's nice and tight in place. And that's it, guys. And then we're gonna go ahead and get that panel and pop it back on. So go ahead, start from the bottom kind of. It'll slide in place like that. And then just push down a little bit while sliding up. And then that's it, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and connect it to the TV and set it up. Well, first let's power on the PlayStation. And then now switch to our HDMI. Okay, now with the PlayStation powered on, you're gonna see that it's gonna say, hey, do you want to format your SSD or don't format? You're gonna basically choose format to the right. And that's it. Hit OK. Hit OK. And that's it, guys. Your SSD is ready to go. And then now to transfer games. If you want to transfer games, you can hit the options button on the controller. And then you can select move game and app. Move games and apps. And so with whatever game you want to move, check mark it and then select move to the right. And so it says the item you selected will be moved to your M.2 SSD storage. Select OK. And it's as easy as that, guys. That's it. You could start transferring all your games over, whatever else you want to transfer over. Just hit that options key after you highlight it and see if it gives you that option. And most likely it will. And that's it. So thank you for tuning into today's video. And if you have any other questions or comments, just drop it below. Until next time.